Hello, I'm Pavan, where I'm working as an intern in the Sparks Foundation from Data Science Business Analytics. Here I'm representing my internship project presentation, where I'm explaining my project, how it happened and how it completed. Uh, Let us jump into my project. It is an exploratory data analysis where I'm working on data. My abstract is if I am a business manager, how can I find out the weak areas where you can work to make profit, and you need to find all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. This is our abstract. Let us skip into the project. Uh, this is my project, my friends. Uh, this data science business analytics and doing on explorer data analysis. This is task 3 on retail superstore data. First of all, explorer data analysis is a process of analyzing data sets and to summarize the main features using numerical and visual methods. First, importing libraries, and this is data description and preparation of your data and a summary of your data. How I'm go on with this analyzing each uh, categorical variable for exploring and knowing how the business is going, and we can by that we can interpret what changes we have to improve. This is how I have done uh, count plot distributions. I have used the C1 matplotlib and group by class tabs. These all I have been used to get a clear observation. uh, I have went through each categorical variable and explained very neat interpretations. As if you want, you can take up in this GitHub link. You can get my project and the distribution of data. This is distribution of data by step or whispered or mostly positively skewed, and correlation shown in a heat map, preparing data and categorical numerical shown in a count plot for all categorical data. We see the class variables are observing well, and we are finding here pair plot for all the numerical variables. uh, this is interpretation for this pair plot. This is a nice profit sales bar plot. uh, these are interpretation where I have interpreted. If you want a clear project, I will upload one more video with a clear explanation of each uh, cell, where you can find clear explanation. This is short videos. This is bar plot, scatter plot, how profit sales happen on discounts, and this is interpretation on statewide sales, more subcategory wide quantity, how much quantity had been sold from the superstores, and class tab. I have used this bar graph of your profit gain in the regions along with shipment modes. This is a segment category sales and strip plot, in which region how much sales has happened. Statewide total sales for superstores. It is totally this is that the group is shown in the visualization. Total number of superstores for each state. There are 49 states involved in the superstore market. Uh, these are the weak states which I have found, where these are having very less than 150 superstore branches. And final, I want to conclude that by this EDA, there are 27 states are having less than 100 superstore branches, and among them, 17 states are having less than 50 superstore branches. And we need to improve these states' superstore branches by increasing the superstore branches and increasing the subcategory items in each stores, and dealing nicely with the discount sales will manage to improve sales and profit. This is my advice. And 27 state superstore branches are very weak. We have to work on these 27 states very for better results. States like Oregon, Florida, Arizona, Tennessee, Colorado, North Carolina, Illinois, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Texas are the huge downfall of last because of unbalanced discounts and sales. We have to give some advices to the states superstore branches from the profit superstore branches of other states. By observing entire area, we noticed that North Dakota, I noticed that North Dakota, West Virginia, Maine, South Dakota, Wyoming are states having less than 2,000 US dollars total sales. These are very less because of less branches, I think so, because of less category subcategory items are available in that. We have to improve that states by providing everything requirements. By noticing graph states like Pennsylvania, Washington, Texas, New York, California, they are doing well, having more than 100,000 US dollars total sales from all superstore branches statewide. These states are doing well in the in superstore market statewide. By increasing stores in states and mainly balancing the discounts and sales is very important to escape from the loss in the market. And we need to provide all the category items in the store, very important. Furniture subcategories as well as appliances vendors under of supplies category contribute to majority of losses. We need to take care of these categorical subcategory items more in the superstore. And if a superstore is advised to improve on promotional strategies, the promotional strategies will be a role very crucial on our profits. So as well as reduce overall discounts, we have to do that with wise knowledge. And subcategories of copiers, accessories, and phones and valves and papers are doing very great. They are giving profits to superstore project. This is my ETA project and retail superstore data. Thank you all. Please comment and mention your things. Thank you. Bye.